Hai semuanya, selamat datang di channel DYSI. Yes, I do. Do you speak Indonesian? Yes, I do. Jadi di video kali ini kita akan mempelajari apa sih perbedaan dari kata ingin, pengen atau pingin, mau, serta akan. Well, I've created a PDF of this lesson so you can review what you've learned and never forgetting it. So you guys can simply click the link in the description box and sign up your name, also your email address. Then you will automatically receive the PDF, or even you will receive every PDFs or quizzes that we've just met from your email without sign up again. For your information, that those services are for free. Well, let us get into the lesson. Well, basically, this word do not really different, but also not exactly the same. Many native speakers don't realize the difference of this word, includes me. However, I must give you the truth. Well, in this video, we're gonna find out what the differences among those words. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first is the word ingin. You gotta know that this word has a very broad meaning. So the first, we can use this to say our wishes, which means something that you want to do, want to have, etc. But that's impossible to be get through. For examples, saya ingin ke Mars. Saya ingin ke Mars. It means I wish to go to Mars. The next example, dia ingin punya sayap. Dia ingin punya sayap. It means he wishes to have wings. Secondly, we can use this word to say our hope, which means something that we want to get or we want to do, etc. But that's possible to be get through.
Freaking confusing, huh?
Well, actually, the possibility or the impossibility is depending on the person or the destiny. So that is why it can be a wishes or a hope. Let's see some examples of the second way we use this word. Saya ingin menjadi dokter. Saya ingin menjadi dokter. Saya ingin menjadi dokter. It means I want to be a doctor. Next example, dia ingin pergi ke Australia. Dia ingin pergi ke Australia. Dia ingin pergi ke Australia. Meaning, she wants to go to Australia. Moreover, we use this word to say our desire or our plans, but that is still in our mind or in our plans. So yeah, that can be cancelled whenever. Let's see some examples. Saya ingin ke rumahmu. Saya ingin ke rumahmu. It means I want to go to your home. Next example, dia ingin datang ke Indonesia. Dia ingin datang ke Indonesia. Means he wants to go to Indonesia. The next word is pengen or pingin. Well, those words are exactly the same meaning, but the word pengen is more informal than pingin, in my opinion. Furthermore, these words have similar meaning to the word ingin, which are to wish, to hope, and also to plan. For example, saya pengen kembali ke tahun 2019. Saya ingin kembali ke tahun 2019. Saya ingin kembali ke tahun 2019. That's an impossible thing, right? It means I wish to get back to the 2019. The second example, saya pengen membeli martabak. Saya pengen membeli martabak. If you haven't known what is martabak, so this is a martabak. That's really sweet, delicious. I like it. It means I want to buy a martabak. Well, the third is the word mau. Well, this word is kind of similar to the previous word, which are pingin, pengen, or ingin. But in my point of view, there is a little difference among them. So the first, we use this word to say our desire or our plan. Yeah, totally the same as ingin, pengen, or pingin. So it can be cancelled whenever. For examples, saya mau ke Spanyol malam ini. Saya mau ke Spanyol malam ini. Saya mau ke Spanyol malam ini. It means I want to go to Spain tonight. That is an impossible thing. But if you have wings, you can do it. The next example is saya mau ke pantai sore ini. Saya mau ke pantai sore ini. It means I want to go to the beach this afternoon. So yeah, it can be cancelled whenever. And the last example, saya mau mengantar ibu saya ke pasar. Saya mau mengantar ibu saya ke pasar. It means I want to drop off my mom to the market. Secondly, we use this word to ask someone's willingness to do something for us. And we usually add the particle ka after the word mau. So, mau plus ka plus the subject plus the complement. Maukah, subject, plus the complement. Let's take a look at these some examples. Maukah kamu membantuku? Maukah kamu membantuku? Would you like to help me? Next example. Maukah kamu menikah denganku? Well, it is just an example. Don't take it serious. Maukah kamu menikah denganku? It means, will you marry me? If you're gonna say, will you marry me to an Indonesian girl, yeah, you can say this word. Maukah kamu menikah denganku? Put it twice, right? The last example. Maukah kamu berlangganan saluran kami? Maukah kamu berlangganan saluran kami? It means, will you subscribe to our channel? So to answer this question, you can easily say, ya, saya mau. Ya, saya mau. It means, yes, I will. Or even, maaf, saya tidak bisa. Maaf, saya tidak bisa. It means, sorry, I cannot. So the last word is akan. You have to memorize the pronunciation. So it's akan, akan. There are two syllables in this word, which are a sounds and kan. So akan. We pronounce this word akan. So this word is pretty the same as mau, which I used to say our desire, our plans, and also to ask someone willingness to do something for us. Yeah, it's definitely the same as mau. We add the particle ka after the word akan. So akan plus ka plus the subject plus the complement. Akan kah, the subject and the complement. But by saying this word as a plan, it means that you cannot cancel the plan. If you have told somebody that you akan do something or akan get something, it means that you will exactly get the thing or do the thing. So yeah, this word more promising. When you say aku akan pergi ke rumahmu, aku akan pergi ke rumahmu, which means I will go to your home, it means that you will obviously go to the house. Let's see some examples. Dia akan meninggalkan tempat ini. Dia akan meninggalkan tempat ini. Dia akan meninggalkan tempat ini. It means she will leave this place. So it means that she will obviously exactly leave the place. The second example, saya akan mengakhiri video ini. Saya akan mengakhiri video ini. It means I will end up this video. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I really hope you can understand and use it in your daily as soon as possible. Well, do not forget to subscribe this channel and also give us a big thumbs up and give your comment as a recommendation for the next video. We really welcome every recommendations. So this is a recommendations from Timothy Edward Thomas. He taught me like this, and I add a bonus lesson, which is the word akan. Also, don't forget to get your free PDF by click the link in the description box. Furthermore, don't forget to share this video to your friends whoever wants to learn Indonesian. And again, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Sampai jumpa.